What's up guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be making the classic tiki cocktail, the Zombie. Now this drink can be served in a pint glass, highball glass, or tiki glass. We'll be serving it in a tiki glass, but we'll be preparing it in a blender. First add 1.5 ounces of gold rum. Next add 1.5 ounces of dark rum. Next add 1 ounce of high proof rum. Next add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next add a 1/2 ounce of Don's Mix, which is essentially cinnamon simple syrup with fresh grapefruit juice. Next add 1 bar spoon of grenadine. Next add a 1/2 ounce of falernum. Next add a 1/2 bar spoon of pear nod. Add 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Now add ice. Now use a blender to blend the ingredients. Now pour the blended mix into the tiki glass. Now top with ice. Now finally garnish with a mint sprig. And there you have it, the Zombie.